Welcome to Kid Logic Labs. I'm Leanne.
And I'm Callie.
Here in the lab, we use science, art, and curiosity to help kids like you build big skills.
Now before we begin, let's step into the lab. Take a slow, deep breath in. And let your curiosity turn on.
Today, we're going to do a science experiment that helps us understand something we all feel sometimes: anger and irritation. Have you ever felt like your feelings were building up inside your body, like you might explode?
Yes, it's happened several times maybe.
Me too. So today we're going to do a simple science project to help us understand what big feelings look like from the inside out. Right now, this bottle looks pretty calm, doesn't it?
It does. It almost looks like a bottle of water to me. But inside this bottle, there are tiny bubbles that are pushing up against the sides, even when we can't see them. Those bubbles are made up of a gas called carbon dioxide. When you move or shake a fizzy drink like soda or sparkling water, the bubbles get excited and start moving around. You might even notice a hissing sound when you open the lid. That's just the bubbles popping and floating up to the top.
Every time you shake a fizzy drink, the tiny bubbles inside start moving faster and faster. They bump into each other and try to find a way out, but the lid keeps them from escaping. This creates something called pressure. Pressure is the push from the tiny bubbles inside a bottle. When you finally take the lid off, all that built up pressure rushes out all at once and the drink can fizz and spill everywhere. Which is kind of like our bodies. We can look calm on the outside, but feelings can be building up on the inside. Let's pretend that every time something annoying or upsetting happens, the bottle gets shaken.
Okay.
So maybe someone takes your toy.
Or your socks get wet from splashing in the rain. Oh, wet socks.
Or maybe you're told no when you really wanted to hear yes.
Or your clothes feel itchy, or you're hungry. I like to call that hangry. Or you're tired.
Sometimes we think we're upset about what just happened, but really our bottle has been shaken up all day. When we don't check in with ourselves or let a little pressure out along the way, those feelings can stack up. And then one last small shake can make everything explode.
That sounds so uncomfortable.
It really is. Feelings can feel that way too when we don't let them out. What do you think would happen if I took this bottle, shook it up a whole lot, and then opened it really fast?
You know what I think? I think it's going to explode.
Yes, that's exactly right. Let's check it out.
Okay.
All right, here we go.
You ready?
One last good shake. What do you think's gonna happen?
Oh, that's a lot of pressure building up.
When we hold our feelings in all day long. Every time something bothers us, our bottle gets shaken up a little more and eventually everything spills out.
And for us, that can look like yelling or crying.
Yes, or throwing something, slamming a door, or hurting someone's feelings. But what if we did something different?
Oh, okay.
What if, instead of ignoring our feelings when we get shaken up, we did something to help ourselves calm down?
Sounds like a really good idea.
Did you hear that?
I did. It hissed.
That was pressure being released. By opening the cap a tiny bit, some of the gas from the bubbles was able to come out without spilling the liquid.
There it goes. When we let a little pressure out, the bottle stays calm. Our bodies work the same way.
Yes. When something happens that makes us feel mad, irritated, or scared, that pressure can build up inside of us. So, what helps you let some pressure out?
I like hugs. That felt good.
Hugs are an amazing way to release some pressure. Other ways we can get rid of pressure are taking a break, talking about our feelings, moving our bodies, drawing, and listening to music.
Or taking a good deep breath in.
Yes, that's exactly like opening the cap just a little. Let's practice. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Didn't that feel good? We're going to practice one more time, but this time I'm going to teach you how to take a really, really good deep breath. You're going to place one hand on your chest and one hand on your tummy. When you take that deep breath in, you're going to draw the air all the way down into your belly, like you're filling up a balloon. The hand on your belly is going to rise first, and the hand on your chest is going to stay still. Let's practice. Breathe in. Breathe out. What are you noticing now?
My body feels so much more calm and relaxed.
That's great. Let's try it one more time.
Okay.
This time, we're going to breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, and breathe out for 4. That's called box breathing. Each part makes one side of a square. Ready? Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't that feel nice?
It really does.
Anger and irritation aren't bad. They're just signals telling us something matters.
We just have to listen early and do things to help ourselves stay calm.
When we notice our feelings early and let some pressure out, we don't explode. We stay calm and steady.
Now, what are some things that you like to do that help you feel calm when your bottle gets shaken up? Ask your grown-ups to tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you know when a new video comes out.
We loved spending time with you in the lab today. Now take what you learned, notice how you feel, and we'll see you next time at Kid Logic Labs.
Bye!